Hi all, welcome back to the GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are discussing how to undo the delivery of customer orders. Why is this feature important? The ability to undo a customer order delivery is a crucial feature that helps businesses maintain accuracy and flexibility in their order management process. Here's why it's important. Correcting mistakes. If an order was delivered by mistake, you can quickly revert it. Managing returns efficiently. If a customer returns an order, this feature allows you to update the system accordingly. If the customer invoice is in the preliminary stage, improve it order flexibility. Allows businesses to adjust order due to changes in demand or unforeseen issues. First, I'm going to create a customer order. I can create a customer order header and add a customer order line. In this case, I'm going to deliver this customer order without any shipments. So I'm going to use the not automatic shipment type here. Next, I will proceed with the customer order until delivery. You may see that my customer order is now in delivered status. Now I'm going to copy this customer order. But this time I'm going to proceed with it using a shipment. I will use the NR shipment type to create a customer order automatically. Once I release my customer order, you may see that a shipment has now been created and connected to this customer order. And my shipment is in closed status. This means the order has been delivered to the customer. How to undo a customer order delivery? Now let's see how to undo the delivery of a customer order. First, I'm going to undo the customer order that was delivered without a shipment. To do this, I need to copy the customer order number. I have to go to the customer order delivery page where I can query my customer order. Now, using the undo delivery option, I can remove this delivery. If I go back to my customer order, you may see that the order is now picked status. Now, let's see how to undo the delivery of a customer order that was delivered with the shipment. To do this, I need to copy the order number. Let's check whether we can undo the delivery using this method. If you query your customer order, it will not appear here. The reason for this is that the order was delivered with the shipment. Therefore, you have to go back to your customer order and find your shipment ID. Here is my shipment ID. You can copy it, then return to the customer order delivery page. Instead of querying by customer order ID, you must query using the shipment ID. Now you will see your shipment here. You can easily undo the delivery of your customer order. If you go back to your customer order, you will see that it is now in picked status. However, remember that you cannot undo the delivery of a customer order if that order is in invoiced closed status. But there are some customer orders that are invoiced but not yet posted or authorized. If the invoice is still in preliminary status, there is a way to undo the delivery. Let's see how to do it. Here is my customer order, which is in invoiced closed status. If I go to the invoice lines, you can see that the invoice is still in preliminary status. Now I can go back to my customer order and navigate to the customer invoice. Since the invoice is still in preliminary status, I can cancel it. Once cancelled, I can return to my customer order. Now let's try to undo this customer order. you will see that my customer order was undone successfully. The undo delivery feature is an essential tool for managing customer orders efficiently. It allows businesses to correct errors, manage returns, and prevent financial discrepancies, ensuring accurate and smooth order processing. Whether an order was delivered without a shipment or with one, this feature provides flexibility and control over order management. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would love to hear from you.